Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Today I am extra super excited because I bring you the first Fab Fit Fun box for the fall of 2024. Oh my gosh, I have missed doing these videos for so long. If you have been a long-time subscriber, you know that I used to do these religiously and I am back with them. So today I am showing you everything that I handpicked from my Fab Fit Fun box for the fall. So if you're ready, grab your cafecito and let's jump right in. Can I shout out my outfit really quick? I feel like this is giving spooky vibes and it is so in theme with today's Fab Fit Fun fall box unboxing. That's a little bit of a tongue twister, but anyways, before we jump into what I actually got in my box, I just wanted to share a little bit more information on Fab Fit Fun, the way it works. I have my notes here in case I miss anything. So you do get a customizable, which is the best thing. Like, I cannot emphasize how cool it is that you can customize your own box. You get a customizable box 4 times a year, and there's 2 ways that you can sign up. You can do the seasonal membership, which is $69.99 per quarter, and you just pay for it at the time and you customize your box before you get it. Or you can do the annual membership. So with this one, it brings the cost of the box to $55, so you're saving a little bit more. And I actually have 2 different discount codes. So if you decide, you know what, I want to do this seasonal membership, you can totally do that and use my discount code OMGLASHES. That saves you 20%. Or if you're like, you know what, I want to get it out of the way and just pay for it up front, and that way you don't have to worry about being billed, you can use my code OMGLASHESGIFT, and it actually gives you a $200 gift. And not only do they offer beauty products, I mean, that's what I mainly get, but they also have fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products that you get to choose. So really, literally, it is a fully customizable box. So with that said, just wanted to give you guys a little rundown on who Fab Fit Fun is in case you're not familiar with them, because trust me, after this video, you're going to want to sign up. So let me grab my box and show you what I got. I made my box a little cute for you guys. Just wanted to display it pretty and aesthetic, and it's just giving fall vibes, which is obviously today's theme. So let's go through the products that I chose in my fall box. I'm gonna set it down because it's actually a little heavy. I also have the sheet pulled up of each individual product so I can tell you exactly how much it is valued at. So the first product, which I was super excited the moment that I saw it, I was like, I need this in my life. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. So this one on its own retails for $69. That's almost $70, which is ridiculous for a cleansing balm. This though is literally the best cleansing balm I've ever used. When I started double cleansing a few years ago, I have tried so many. I've tried Neutrogena, I've tried Physicians Formula, there's a few other brands that are sold at Target and Walmart that I've tried, and they all work, but this one, y'all, is the best. It is a thick lotion like, but it melts into this like super soft, oily, creamy texture that melts all the makeup off. I have been using it since I got my box because I ran out of this maybe a month ago or almost 2 months ago, and it's $70. So I'm like, I can't do it. As much as I love it, $70 is a lot. So the fact that I can get it here, amazing. If you know me, you know that I live in comfort, okay? I love anything that is comfortable, and that is the reason why I chose these slippers. These are by the brand Muck Lux, and these are in a size medium 7-8. Now, these have a retail price of $49, and oh my gosh, I love them. The moment that I saw them, I was like, I need these in my life. The best thing is that these have a beautiful platform. Like, how cute are these? They do give UGG vibes, but I'm not even, like, I don't even care about that. They are so insanely comfortable. I have already worn them, and I love them. I'm going to show you guys how they look on my feet, and I have wide feet. I am a size 7, but I do have wider feet, and look at that. These are so comfortable and they keep my feet warm, which is the best thing for the fall. I mean, you can wear these out if you wanted to, but I just wear them inside my home. and I love them. They're so comfy, they're so warm, and they're actually pretty cute and aesthetic. So if you need to run a quick errand and you still want to look a little put together, these are definitely it. For jewelry, I chose the Alley Veil water resistant hypoallergenic stainless steel hoops. I love mini hoops. I feel like they're very like everyday appropriate because they're not overly big, and I'm over the whole big hoop phase. So I really like these. They're a little bit dainty, they're pretty, they're not heavy, and the best thing is that they are stainless steel. So if you are allergic to like cheaper products, these are going to be it. And these have a retail price of $61. So I know these are not going to tarnish on me. They're not going to get ugly. You have no idea how many times I've had to throw out like hoops because they just tarnish and they get really ugly. So these are going to last me forever, and they have the option I think of either silver or golds, but I have so many golds hoops that I was like, I need to do silver. As you can see, I am a gold girly, but I do enjoy a silver hoop every now and then. The next product that I chose is this Wow Color Security Shampoo. It is 100% clean without or residue free. I am on a journey to grow back my hair stronger and healthier, which is why I recently went and got it cut because my ends were horrible. This is a brand that I see all over TikTok. I see Chris Appleton use it a lot. I see it on Sephora, and I just haven't tried much of this brand. I only have one product and I genuinely love it. It makes my hair super glossy, so I was like, you know what, let me give it a shot with the shampoo. This one claims to leave no residue behind to dull color, weigh hair down, or impede hair growth, which is my favorite thing. Again, I am on a hair growth journey, and this brand has really great reviews, so I figured why not. This one has a retail value of $24, which is actually not bad. Sorry, for this size of a bottle, it's not bad. I will have to try this and let y'all know how I like it. But if you have any favorite products from Wow, let me know in the comment section. Now, if you know me, you know that I am a press-on girl, okay? I love press-ons. I'm actually wearing press-ons right now. That's all I wear because nail salons are so expensive, y'all. And I can't keep up. Okay, so I have done press on nails for the past like year now, and I love them. I always switch them up, and these are so cute. Okay, this is the Static Nails reusable pop-on manicure up to 30-day wear. I haven't tried this brand, so I'm not sure who exactly they are, but these have a retail value of $18, and the color is giving a little bit more fall. I wish they would have thrown in some like burgundy ones, or maybe some like deep red or even black, a little bit more fall appropriate. But these are so cute. They're very natural, they're a little bit peachy, and they're short, which right now I'm kind of in like my short nail era, even though these are a little bit long, but they're actually not as long as I usually go for. So I am excited to try these. I will have to let you guys know how I like them and if they really do wear up to the 30 days. And the last product that I picked out is this Lash and Brow Serum by the brand Dr. B Lab. This is actually not a brand that I've ever heard of or that I'm familiar with, so we'll have to see how it works, but this retails for $58. So I'm hoping and thinking that because of the price, this is actually a serum that works. So you apply this on your freshly cleansed area, you apply it on your lash line, or you can apply it on your brows. If you're trying to regrow your lashes, regrow your brows, which hello, I am. I've just ruined my lashes over the years of applying falsies for so long that I definitely need to give my lashes a break, or at least help them out a bit and add a little bit of nutrition. So this is something that you apply after you have washed your face before you do your skincare. You can use this on your brows or on your lashes. So that was everything that I got in my Fab Fit Fun Fall Box 2024. Again, I cannot emphasize how amazing all these products are. The fact that this is valued at such a high price, but you only pay such a little amount. So if you guys want to sign up, I will have everything linked in my description box down below. Don't forget, if you sign up for the annual membership, you do get a special little $200 gift that is valued at $200, and you can use OMG Lashes gift. Or if you don't want to do that and you just want to stick to the seasonal one, then you can also use my code OMG Lashes, and that's going to save you 20%. So that is it, you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you guys love Fab Fit Fun? Because honestly, I'm so excited to just be working with them again and keep receiving their boxes in the future. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you all. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.